you're a content creator or mobile videography nerd, brace yourself because Samsung's Galaxy S26 might just flip the table of Android's phone games. A fresh leak from Sammy Guru reveals that Samsung's planning to roll out a new APV, aka Advanced Professional Video Codec, across the entire S26 lineup. And what does that mean in plain English? Near lossless video quality and smaller file sizes, a holy grail combo that could give Apple's ProRes format a serious run for its money. But it doesn't stop there. Samsung isn't just chasing better video quality, it's using it as a bait to gather creators. The leak mentions LOG recording support and integrated LUTs, aka lookup tables, the kind of pro tools typically reserved for DSLRs and mirrorless cameras. You'll be able to shoot flat, cinematic footage for grading later, and then preview different color styles directly on your phone. And that's not all. Rumors also suggest a boost to Samsung's editing workflow. A tip says the Gallery or Studio app may let you apply LUTs directly, cutting down the need for desktop editing. And that's just the beginning. We might also get Horizon Lock for ultra-stable shots, improved motion photo control, upgraded document scanning, and even USB-C external drive support. It's something serious filmmakers will appreciate. All signs point to Samsung gearing up for a direct strike at Apple's iPhone 17 Pro. And with all these specs, it might actually pull it off. If these features are delivered as expected, the Galaxy S26 won't just be another upgrade. It could be the Android filmmaker's dream of finally coming true. What do you think about this upgrade? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.